Hold on. Get in the car.
Open the car.
Open the car.
Keep your hands up. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Emergency Charlie Union 60550. Please.
Southbound from where?
I'm Raiders.
433. He just wrecked on Dearborn. Let me see your fucking head. Let me see your head.
On Dearborn. I'll give him 433 location.
Where is it?
433 said he wrecked on Dearborn. He was last seen going down Brainerd.
433, 10-1, 10-1, shots fired. Let me see your head. Let me see.
433 has 10-1, 10-1. 433 shots fired Brainerd in the... What's 32? 430.
He's still shooting, still up. Hold it fire, hold it fire.
430.
We're playing.
420. 433.
433. He is at the corner of Gosselin and Dearborn. He is still armed. He is on the ground.
433 is the corner of Dobson and Dearborn.
Gosselin and Dearborn, he is on the corner.
Corner of Dobson and Dearborn. Clear the air.
Southeast corner. Southwest, southeast corner, southeast corner. He's on the ground, still armed.
433 southwest corner, Dobson and Dearborn. His arms still on the ground. All units head that way. Clear the air. .433, we got more units headed your way. 432, I see you. 424.
I see him, I see him. He's on this corner, southeast corner. He's still has the gun in front of him.
Southeast corner of Dobson and Dearborn.
Still has the gun in front of him.
That's a
433.
433.
7.
Vertimer.
Hold the air. 433.
We got guns on the ground. And Dawson and Dearborn in corner, right by the sheep pole.
10-4.
Watch flagging! Watch flagging!
Right.
Stay behind the rails.
L-I-N, Goslin.
GOS and
Hey,
Gosselin and
watch
Dearborn.
flagging. Stay down behind those barricades.
Hammond.
Hold the air.
We need help you.
10-4, 424, we got him rolling. Gosselin and Dearborn.
There's nobody else in there.
424.
I don't know.
424 is company. 424 is signing on this over here now.
424, 10-4. Is that the offender that's down?
10-4.
10-4. 424. Airplane was Charlie Romeo 60550.
433, you just ragged on Dearborn.
433.
433, you just ragged on Dearborn.
Let me see your fucking ass! Let me see your ass!
On Dearborn. I'll give
Fuck
you
you!
433 location. 433 said he wrecked on Dearborn. He was last seen going down Brainerd.
433, 10-1, 10-1 shots fired! Let me see your ass! Let me see...
433 has 10-1, 433 shots fired Brainerd in What 32? 433.
He's still shooting, still up! Hold your fire, hold your fire!
430.
We're playing.
420. 433.
433. He is at the corner of Gosselin and Dearborn. He is still armed. He is on the ground.
433 at the corner of Dobson and Dearborn.
Gosselin and Dearborn, he is on the corner.
Corner of Dobson and Dearborn. Clear the air.
Southeast corner. Southwest, southeast corner, southeast corner. He's on the ground, still armed.
433 southwest corner, Dobson and Dearborn. His arm still on the ground. All units head that way. Clear the air. .433, we got more units headed your way. 432, I see you. 424.
I see him, I see him. He's on this corner, southeast corner! He still has the gun in front of him!
Southeast corner of Dobson and Dearborn.
Still has the gun in front of him!
That's a
433.
433.
7.
heard him. Heard him.
Hold the air, 433.
We got guns on the ground. And Gosselin and Dearborn in the corner, right by the sheep pole.
So far.
Watch flagging! Watch flagging!
Right.
Stay behind the rails!
Oh, yeah, and Gosselin.
GOS and
Hey,
Gosselin.
watch flagging! Stay down behind those barricades!
Watch the crossfire!
Hammond.
Hold the air.
We need help you.
10-4-424, we got a roll in Gosselin and Dearborn.
There's nobody else in the...
424.
I don't know.
424 is company. 424, sign on this over here now.
424 and 10-4, is that the offender that's down?
10-4.
10-4. 424.
We got to run today. Someone pull up.
Here. Where is it?
2-4, go
Where's
ahead.
he shot?
In the stomach.
Here, move!
Let's work together. Let's work together.
433.
433, we're getting a raid right now.
Where's he shot? Lay him down.
10-4, 433, were you the officer that shot the, fired the shot?
10-4 squad.
Sorry. Somebody get something on the yard. 424.
424, there's a weapon over here.
424, where is it located?
Right next to the thunder.
10-4, by the time stamp for the shots fired, I'm going to take 1759.
Push it ready. Push it.
432, can you roll 2 ambulances for
for a PO. Not hurt. Just rolling ammo.
432, 10-4, 2 ambos, 1 for the PO who's not injured and 1 for the victim.
Hey, back him up! Back him up! Back him up!
Chest seal. Get a time sergeant. Chest seal applied.
4290.
4290.
Yeah, can we get a rough idea of where exactly this is? I don't know those streets.
424.
Avenue and Gosling, George, Orson, Sam, Tom, Lincoln, Ida, Nora. Dearborn Avenue, we're in Hammond, Indiana. Last quarter, straight up Raider. Straight up Raider.
You see it?
Straight up,
Holes on
straight
his
up
legs.
Rainers.
Keep looking.
I'll take care of it, okay? We're turning to get a prize. 424, turning to get a prize.
424, timestamp 1800.
433. Chest seal applied.
Weapon recovered.
Who has the weapon recovered?
432, one.
Is that believe? No. I don't see any.
432.
I think we're past the point of fucking golf.
432 is 1801 for the time.
424, slow it down. We need Hammond to block traffic. We need an ambulance here now.
Does anybody see any other holes on his chest?
421, stand by. Hold the air. Are we in Hammond or is it Chicago?
Gosling and Dearborn Avenue.
Is it Hammond, Indiana or Chicago?
Hammond. Hammond on Zeno.
Hammond, so we...
51. I don't want you guys talking to anybody.
We're going to slow down on the 10-1, Dawson and Dearborn. Slow it down on the 10-1.
Standing with him.
Gossip Street. Citywide 1 says on it.
Are you guys hit?
Damn it.
I know you have blood all over you.
Let me check. I don't think so. Let me check.
I got Hammond fire, Hammond police are both allowed.
Hey,
Fuck!
stop firing.
Relax. It's fine. Don't say
Citywide 1
anything.
says on it.
Don't say nothing.
435. We're giving this back to street number Morano, Charlie Union 60050. For 248 an ambulance.
424, Hammond has been notified.
Is this shot fired by the police or at the police?
Hey, get him in the car, don't say shit to him, don't even say nothing else. Just get in the car and sit down.
By the police, 433.
At the police. At the police. At the police. By the police, right?
Don't say nothing else.
At the police, by the police.
Hey. Stay with him.
Yeah,
Don't
I'm
talk
with
to
him.
him.
I'm
Don't
not.
ask him any questions.
Nope. The man's here. He's fine. I checked him.
433.
Who's he with? You little.
For 33 for info.
433 Dutch Wadi. We're here with them.
10-4, I need to know if the shots were fired in Chicago or Hammond.
Stand by, folks. Gonna be at Hammond.
I'm not leaving you. I'm staying right here with you. You good?
Yeah.
You guys all right?
Yeah.
He's good. I checked him. I checked him. And look at that.
Yes. Him. I told him.
We're good. We'll handle all this. The sergeant will do it. Okay. We'll handle the scene, Jim.
Some questions I'm just going to ask you. You alright? You injured? It's alright. If you can't answer it, it's fine.
Hey, is your camera off?
No, it's on.